Alright, so in this video we're going over all surgery implants in PAL 1.0 and where you can get them. Let's start with the disposable implants. These are single-use items, and they come from the ancient relic recycler that was added in version 1.0. I'll quickly explain how this works, and then I'll show you the relics and the recycler itself. So, the disposable implants include things like idiosyncratic, mastery of fasting, god of destruction, remarkable craftsmanship, dimensional leap, heavily armored, world tree's bounty, sacred flesh, sky marcher, diamond body, demon god, double-edged holy sword, demonic grasp, eternal engine, babysitter, swift, vampiric, immortality, heart of the immovable king, hermit, and king of the waves. All of these are essentially the rainbow tier passives. They come from the world tree, mutations, and also from earlier versions of the game like 0.7. So you won't find things like legend, lunker, or invader/savior type passives here, only the rainbow tier ones. To get these disposable implants, you'll need to farm the world tree. While doing that, you'll collect relics. Once you have relics, you bring them to the ancient relic recycler, which unlocks at level 74. You place the relics inside, and one of your pals will process them. In return, you'll receive a few disposable implants along with some extra rewards. You can obtain relics through a variety of activities around the world tree. This includes fishing, opening random chests, defeating alpha bosses, and hunting awakened pals. Personally, I think the most efficient method is farming world tree holy water. There are a few good spots for this, and while you're doing it, you'll naturally gather relics as well. Alternatively, you can run expeditions for relics after defeating Cinera and Astral. Now let's move on to permanent implants. These are different because you only need to buy them once, and then you can use them forever. The first set can be found at the arena entrance, specifically in the World Arena or World Master PvP area. Talk to the NPC there and go to the exchange menu. Here you'll find implants like Serenity, Infinite Stamina, Runner, Reload Master, Healing Coach, Noble, and Ace Swimmer. These are mostly utility or support type boosts, like healing or reload efficiency, plus Noble for your selling team. Again, once you buy these, they're permanently unlocked. No need to purchase them again. The second set of permanent implants can be bought from bounty officers found in small settlements or other towns. When you talk to them, you'll see options like Wellness Watcher, Motivational Leader, Stronghold Strategist, Vanguard, Muscle Head, Burly Body, and Artisan. Honestly, it's great that these were added as implants. So, to summarize, the implants from the arena and the bounty officer are all permanent, while the rainbow tier passive implants are disposable and consumed when used. Once you craft the surgery table for the first time, you'll also notice a few implants are already available by default. These don't need to be purchased, although they're not free to apply. They just come unlocked automatically. Permanent implants, like Muscle Head or Burly Body, will show as unlocked once purchased. Meanwhile, disposable implants will be consumed every time you use them. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about implants and how to get them in PAL 1.0. Thanks for watching.